Namaste friend. Indian women's outfit varieties are crazy. If you ever go to any Indian cloth market, you can see from Cholis, Kurtis, Saree, Anarkalis, Lehengas, and all of them are burst with so many traditional artwork from handwork, mirror work, from print work, from embroideries, from Kachi work. And if you see, they have an intricate work that comes from ages like Zardosi, Kotapatti, Chikankaris, Resam, Ari. So if you want to take a photography and videography of these heavy, extensive work outfit, the AI model has to be sharp. So far, none of the AI model could do justice to these amazing outfit. So in today's video, I am coming up with a tool that do perfect justice to this amazing cloth with all the details. So without waiting, just go to the tools and see how this tool is generating amazing videography and photography of Indian women's outfit. So first, let's go to the tool. You can find the tools link in the description. Once you click on it, you can see the dashboard. They have so many different tools for different work. So without waiting, let's go to the login from the top right side and sign up using your Google account. So now you can see our dashboard. This is how it looks. In the center, you see the prompt box, and at the bottom, you can see different items you can try using this tool. Motion graphics, short videos, explainer videos, scripting, clone yourself, so on. So if you scroll down, you can see more options. First is agents and models. So here they have created a lot of model already working on different agents. So you can use these advanced models and create the photography and videography and also create the films for yourself. The next is project, where you can see all of your old project. Generative models will show you what different kind of AI models you can use using InVideo. The last is trending videos. You can try and get some inspiration for your project. And the next one you can see is a workflow. In the workflow, you can also explore more inspirations and ideas about your project. Before we go and start creating our clothing, photography and videography, let me quickly introduce you with the tool so it's easy for you to navigate its different features. So if you go on the top left side, you can see this icon. Once you click on it, you can see the sidebar is open. Here you can see there are so many options like home, media library, generative pics, and other tools like AI photo to avatar, motion graphics, text to clip, text to image, photo to clip, text to title clip, and your library. So first we'll start with a very famous Indian kurtis. So we see with the Indian kurtis, the main differences are with the work. So a lot of time AI doesn't understand the detailing of that work and misses out that important part. So let's start. So here you have to go to text to image and click on it. Once you click on it, you can see all the AI models available here. And you can, if you want to filter it out, you can click on video, image, audio, and music. So here we have to generate images. So let's click on images. You can see all the top rated AI models are here, from Kling, from Google, Sora, from GPT, from Dream, and you can see many more models are available. You can choose as per your choice. So I'm just going to click on Nano Banana Pro. After that, a new project box will open. So you can create a new project from clicking on this plus icon. Once you click on it, you can just give the name to your project and click on create project. I have already created mine, so I'm just going to skip this step and click on Indian dress. So once you create a project, you can see your project name on the top and all the images you generated here. So let's start with the new one. So at the bottom you can see there is a prompt box, and here you can write about what you want to have with your Indian kurti or dresses. Before that, let's go online and select one of the kurtis. So you can see here all the image attachment option. You can upload images from here. So once your image is uploaded, you need to write the prompt. So as I told you, it's simple prompt. You just explain about what you want in the photography, your background, angle, and the way you want to showcase your model. I already created mine, so I'm just copying and pasting it here. So if you need the same prompt and all the prompt I used in this video, just comment down Indian kurti prompt, as well as send me an email on support@dolphy.io with the same subject line Indian kurti prompt, and I'll send you over the email. So you have to do both the things. So now my entire prompt is here. So if you go all the way bottom, you can see there is one more option which says resolutions. So 2K is more than enough for me. You can also go for 4K. So in the next option, we can see it's asking you for a different size options for your image. So you can select as per your requirement. The next one is asking you about how many images you want to generate. So I'll keep the one as it is. So next option is unlimited. This is excellent option by so far. So if you turn it on, you can generate any number of images with this tool. So it's a game changing. The next of it, you can see the trends. So once you click on it, you can see it opens a lot of features from InVideo. So click on Vision. It's a free right now. And then you can see 4 options: looks, boards, angles, and extract shot. We are going to select storyboard. Once you select it, you can see it says here. Next is about image, audio, music, and video. If you want to make any changes and want to change a model, you can select from here. I'll just leave it as it is. Now, before we clicking on unlimited, we have to write down our prompt. So now let's click on unlimited. So within few seconds, we can see our first storyboard. So storyboard is a unique feature from InVideo, which I love about. In storyboard, it generates 9 different shots of the same product. So using those different shots, you can create multiple of videos in the one sequence, and you have your entire video ready. For us, we have multiple of images in one shot. So now you can see our entire storyboard on the screen. And the best part is the quality of the outcome is really good. Let's see, if I want to extract all the photos or some of the photos, then how I'm gonna do it. For that, you have to go on the right side and you can see prompt, trend, attachment, and after that you can see attach to prompt option. So you have to click on it. And quickly, if I'll check to the next one, which is upscale. So if you want to upscale any specific image or entire storyboard, you can do from here. So now let's click on attach to prompt. Once you click on it, you can see our image has been uploaded on the same prompt box. Keep everything else as it is. Turn on the unlimited part and click on trend. Go to the vision and you can see now same 4 options. This time click on extract shot. Once you click on it, you can see there is a one ready-made prompt given by the tool. It says extract shot X from the attached images. So you have to just replace X with the number of shot you want to extract. So I'll just put as a 2 and then just keep everything else same and click on unlimited. So within few seconds, you can see our extracted image. The same way you can extract all the image and you can use it for your Amazon listing, for Myntra listing, for any kind of e-commerce platform. You can use it for your social media post as well. So one plan and you have unlimited images options. I also like the speed of generating image. So you can also change the look of the model, you can change the angle, as well as you can upscale any of these images. So for example, if you click here, and then if you want to upscale it, you just click on upscale and you get the option, 4 options. So you can click on any of those part and click on unlimited, and our new upscaled image will be available here. Same way, if you want to change the look of the same model, you can click on look. You can see the automated prompt is here which says create different style look of the following prompt. So same way, you can create different images with different looks, different style, camera angle, upscaled image, all within the same plan. So now let's try one more difficult but important outfit, which is a wedding outfits for Indian marriages. It is a lot of work, it is high in value, and creating high-end detailed photography and videography is very much important. So let's try one of them. So again, the process remains the same. It's very simple, step by step, easy to follow. So let's remove this kurti part and now upload your Indian choli or Indian dress for wedding photo. You can upload as many as you want. So I have taken 4 photos. I'm just going to upload all the 4 photos. All the 4 photos has a photograph taken from different angles. So I'm just putting all of them. So now I have created my own prompt and just keeping all the 4 images. All other part will remain same. I just want to keep the unlimited on. In the trend, this time I want the board. So selecting board, keeping everything else as it is, and click on unlimited. Once you click on it, within few seconds you can see our final result. Just look at the output. It has done a wonderful job with the clarity and attention to details. So this is the way you can create unlimited storyboards with different backgrounds, different models, different angles, and extract one by one and use it for your social media, for your marketing efforts, for your e-commerce listing. So I'm not going to explain you again about how you're gonna extract shots from storyboard. It's the same process. So you can see I have generated some different as well. You can see on the screen. These are all the different background, different ways I have generated. So now, very important part. Now we have all the different images. Now what about video, right? Everybody wants to see videos and their clothes in action. Let's go quickly and check how you can generate videos from these shot. So let's click on one of your favorite shot. So you can see on your screen, and you can see something like this. On the right side, the prompt, trend, attachment, and at the bottom, you can see attached to prompt options. Once you click on it, go and select the model. So here, click on video, and I'm going to select Kling 301. You can select any of the model of your choice. Once you select, you can see how the attachment part has changed. Here you can add the end screen. If you have some audios, you can also put down here. And if you have more elements like background images, some other style images, you can put down here. After that, you can see a resolution part, which you can select with 1080. You can select with or without sound, and there are more advanced options. Then again, the size of video you can select from here. Multi-shot, if you want to keep it on, you can do it here. So here you have to describe about every shot in these small prompt box. So it will generate according to your prompt. Every clip will be 3 seconds only. So I'll just keep it disabled. Then the time duration, you can select up to 15 seconds. Number of videos want to generate is 1, and just leave the trend part as it is. The video model is already selected, which is Kling 301, and then paste your prompt. Again, if you need the entire prompt, comment down below Indian kurti prompt, as well as send me on my email support@redolphy.io, and I'll send you doc through your email. So once you are done with everything, click on generate, and within few minutes our first video will be generated. Look at on your screen. Same way you can take a different shots from the storyboard and generate the different video clips. You can combine all of them and you have entire ad video of 2 minutes, 3 minutes or 5 minutes even. As usual, the beauty lies in the storyboard. The way Vision generate the entire sequence of shots that you can easily use to generate videos. So this is the beauty of this tool and I enjoyed thoroughly while using it. So you can also use it and let me know in the comment box how is your experience. And if you learned something new about AI photography and videography in this my video, please hit on like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with your e-commerce friend. See you in the next one.